Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing well. Today we're heading out to the Blind Lake in Shighar. This is Mr. Ibrahim and it's called the Blind Lake because you can't see it from far. You have to really go inside to see. So we're just heading out. I'll make a video and show you guys why it's called the Blind Lake. These are called chocolate rocks. Just look at them. They're called chocolate rocks because of their color and their texture. We are on our way to the Blind Lake. The left of the Blind Lake. Oh, right there. See from here. We are moving in the cars. That's the Blind Lake. Heading towards it. And we've reached the Blind Lake, and I just found out the real reason the reason why it's called the Blind Lake is because there is this point in the center of the lake where the water is whirling like a tornado. So you don't go, they don't take you to that point because then the water can suck you in. So that is why there's a blind spot in the center of the lake. That is why it's called the Blind Lake. And look at the floor here, all these colorful rocks. Amazing colors. All the trees are changing color as spring arrives.